Good, you're coming right down the line. We got the whole globe there. It's really a beautiful picture.
We've had loss of signal with the spacecraft. We'll be reacquiring shortly through the Canary Island tracking station. We're standing by now for acquisition of signal through the Canary Island station. We should be reacquiring radio contact with the spacecraft shortly.
This is Apollo Control at 28 hours, 20 minutes. We're back in touch with the crew of Apollo 10.
Hello, Houston. How you read?
Right, yeah, you coming in 5 by 9.